Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Titan X. Ladies and gentlemen, as I called it previously, about a video or two ago, I said this support level right here was going to be tested just because of the 1334 looking like it wants to separate. Not always, but usually. Whenever these two start having a big gap, it usually means a big drop is on its way, and that's exactly what happened. Now, this scenario, the 17.5, give or take, it was a strong support level, and it seemed to have bounced right back up. Now, the next thing right here is that we are literally touching the 1334. What happens whenever we keep touching that line that you see right there? The pink and purple are super important for us that have some Titan X in our portfolio. As you guys can see, we touch, drop, we touch, drop. Look at this. We are constantly just testing multiple times the 1334. And whenever that happens, it gets weaker and weaker. That's a very important factor, okay? We have to be trading above here. I've had these circles right here in the past, in the previous videos, showing you guys that we need to start hovering around on top of the 1334. We need to have a cross on the 13 as well in order for it to turn into super bullish. Like, it's kind of crazy right now that even at these prices, at this current drop, like some of you guys, including myself a little bit, the miners are still pretty like profitable. The 100% profit ROI is still right there on even on the 30 days or 40 days, something like that. So hey, that's perfectly fine by me. As long as I see some type of green, I'm good with it. Now we need to break through this one, the 13. And then it's going to start testing the 34, this top one, which should be around 2.4. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, 247 is where we are at right now. I am on the 4-hour candlestick. We're up 6% today. Now, we did bounce really, like, beautiful, man. Look at that. We were oversold right here for a very split second. Sorry, that was Maya. We were oversold for a very split second. We have not been oversold, like, a big amount ever. Well, even though the project's only been out for like less than 80 days, but still, look right here, oversold, we went up, oversold, we went up, oversold a little bit, and then we went up. So the RSI is telling more than the 1334 actually. So a big resistance line for the RSI seems to be 52. We are currently at 41. It seems like it has legs and room to go, but the fact that, you know, we need a lot of Ethereum to be able to come in to stay stable, I understand that, and a lot of people were panicking because of that. But you also have to keep in mind of the future. A bunch of dApps are coming out, man. You know, Jake is planning to have some great stuff ahead in order for us to be able to benefit. You know, we need to have liquid Titan X for certain projects. We need to have certain amounts of Titan X to burn to be able to get into other projects or get their meme coin or whatever they decide to do, right? One thing I do want to mention as well, I plan to go live here right after this video. So while you're watching, I'm probably live right now. So be sure to check me out. Make sure you click that subscribe button, like the video, go join, let's communicate, let's talk, and have fun, man. I want to see your strategy. I want to hear what you think. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you out as much as I can. I want to be the mentor I never had. I've been in crypto now for like 9 years, 8.5 years, give or take, and I've seen everything. I've been through everything. Those of you that are in crypto right now, and if Titan X is the very first one you got into and you're starting to explore, it's going to be a bumpy ride. You are here for truth and honest technical analysis. Whether it be, you know, dropping in price or a big pump up is on its way, I will tell you how it is. You click that subscribe button for a reason, man. It's kind of crazy that we are already at 9,000 subscribers. We will soon hit 10K, and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for y'all, man. So I want to be honest and transparent. I want to help you. I want to be able to guide you along the way. You know, it would be amazing to see content of, you know, $1 Titan X, 50-cent Titan X, this and that, right? I understand that. I would love that too. And it does good view-wise and clickbait-wise, but I also want to be able to inform you and be honest with those of you that click the subscribe button for a reason, okay? So thank you, those of you that end up joining the live stream or clicking the subscribe button, all that stuff. It really does mean the world to me that those of you just come back to enjoy content. All right, I'm still going to be doing 2 videos every single day. You know, weekends are still going to be a little bit questionable. Maybe, of course, it's going to be 1 video for sure, but 2 videos on the weekends, still maybe. But weekdays, for sure, I got you guys 2 videos. Whether it be technical analysis, whether it be whatever, right? So right now, this support line on the yellow is looking like a very strong support. I mentioned it too. And I did see a few comments saying that my video pretty much caused this, because as soon as I uploaded, like 4 hours later, we saw this big drop. Guys, I don't have that big of an audience or I guess like money to be able to manipulate or cause such actions. I was calling it how it is based off of what I was seeing. The 1334, they were so close right here, and look where the price was hovering once the 1334 was very, very close. As soon as they started forming that big gap, I was like, okay, we're about to see something happen, and it did, you know. Call it luck, call it whatever you want to, man. I say it how it is, and right now, it seems like we are bouncing upward, and we do need a lot of buy pressure and a lot of just TitanX community gathering together and just pushing that price higher and higher, because this 1334 break is going to be super important for us, especially for the miners, in order for us to benefit from this. Look at this. So look, I'm gonna go way back so I can show you guys. Watch. I'm gonna go as far as way over here in late November. Look right here. Yeah, so as soon as this is a bullish cross right here, the 13 crosses upward, the 34 crosses downward, this is a bullish right here. As soon as the candlesticks went up above, we started now having the support on the 1334, and this right here was a good buy right here, and then we traded upward. We did trade downward just a little bit. It was, in my opinion, a fake out, and look, we just stayed above the 1334. Now look, as soon as we crossed the 13 down into the 34, it was a bearish cross. Once we formed candlesticks below, it ended up having trouble pushing upward. Look, it keeps touching the 1334. This is a perfect technical analysis, man. I don't care how long a project has been out here. I don't care how big or small the token is. These 1334 moving averages do such an amazing job, and it tells you and indicates everything such at a precise time. A lot of people out there charge thousands of dollars for knowledge like this in order for me to like know this and teach you and let you know how to do it. I'm doing it for free. The only thing I'm asking for you, like from you, is at least click the subscribe button, man. Click the like button. TitanX community, I know you're strong, and I know you got the power to just push out videos and trigger the algorithm strong. I'm literally putting out there for free, and if you are listening, if you're paying attention, you can literally put this information into any coin you want to, whether it be a crypto coin, a meme coin, a stock, whatever you want to get into. This technical analysis works amazing, man. And this is why on my videos I call such really good support levels, resistance, price targets, and stuff like that. I don't like to have a bunch of lines everywhere where my screen is flashing and I'm getting blind. I just like to keep it simple. Support, resistance, 1334, you know, and maybe small little trend lines like the ascending triangle, descending triangle. I use a little bit of the Fibonacci, but every now and then. But just this right here is simple and easy, and it gets the job done. So right now, to end the video, man, we're looking to be like bouncing and testing this 247, okay? So hopefully we break upward as soon as you see, because right now the 4 hour is telling me more than any other charting, okay? The 4 hours is super, super important right now for TitanX. As soon as we cross bullish, and the candlesticks start hovering above here, it is going to be a parabolic move. And I think it's going to happen once all the dApps come out, once we have the hyper white paper, you know, confirmation about what exactly is going to happen and how much you're going to need for such things. It's going to be a parabolic move. So be ready. Guys, this is going to be it for the video. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. I'm probably live, so go check me out. Peace.